I have his ID in my hand like this, and I turn and I look because my supervisor said something, and he reached out and snatches his ID. I'm like, whoa, hey, hold on, man. He's like, what? It's my ID, isn't it? And turns and walks all the way out.
Deputy Kelly, I was just coming to talk to you about that incident with your ID.
Okay. I had gave it to my brother right here.
On March 15th, 2024, deputies at the Milwaukee General Mitchell International Airport were dispatched to Concourse D for a man who had given a false identity to TSA agents before abruptly leaving the checkpoint lane and exiting the airport. It would be up to the deputies to track him down.
Magnifying camera. And the ID is totally bogus. Every square inch of this thing is pixelated under the camera. So I'm like, this is fake. So I call my boss up. He happens to be off the checkpoint at the time, so the guy starts getting a little antsy, and he's like, hey, I gotta go to the bathroom real bad. Where's the bathroom? I'm like, well, there's one on this side, we'll get you in, whatever. He goes, no, man, I gotta go right now, I'm like, well, it's over there, I can't, hold him. So he walks over there. While he's in the bathroom, my boss comes up. He goes over to the bathroom, and finds the guy and brings him back. He then calls, the CC and everything like that. And the guy's like, yeah, my flight's leaving, man. It's 5:40. I'm just going to rebook. And I'm like, oh, they can do that for you down at the gate, man. We're just going to get this thing, squared away, whatever. I have his ID in my hand like this, and I turn and I look because my supervisor said something, and he reached out and snatches his ID. I'm like, whoa, hey, hold on, man. He's like, what? It's my ID, isn't it? And turns and walks all the way out in the parking lot.
Okay.
And so my supervisor kind of followed in that way. I called over the radio saying, well, he said he was going to rebook. So I think he went downstairs, my boss did, to ticketing to check with them. The guy certainly did not. He walked straight out into the parking lot.
Do you know what he looks like?
He was a fairly tall black male, about your height, kind of like mini dreads, where they're about that tall.
Yeah. Thinner build or bigger build?
He's bigger. He's bigger, like a light-colored jeans he's wearing real low with gray boxers.
Okay.
And he's got a green camouflage backpack with orange piping.
So black male, about 6 feet.
Was he wearing a coat or a t-shirt or?
That I don't remember.
Did he have any jewelry or stuff like that?
Not that I saw.
Right. Any teeth grill or stuff like that? Or?
I thought he had some facial hair, but nothing teeth-wise that I recognized.
Okay.
Dreads.
If you want, I'm going to go search
6
real
foot.
quick, okay?
Using every possible tool at his disposal, one deputy asks nearby citizens if they had seen anyone matching the description of the suspicious person.
Hi, folks. Quick question for y'all. Did you happen to see an African-American male about my height, maybe about my build, maybe a little bit thinner, he had a green green backpack with some orange tubing? Did he happen to walk this way?
I just got here a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
And did not see anyone like that here or elsewhere.
Okay.
I was downstairs in the ticketing area before I came up here. I did not see anyone like that there either.
And you guys have been staying here for about 5-10 minutes?
Oh, not even 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you all.
Soon, the suspect was located in the rental car facility, not far from the terminal in which he fled.
Deputy Kelly, I was just coming to talk to you about that incident with your ID. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with that.
Okay. I had gave it to my brother right here.
Here, you can say something.
Okay.
Yeah. Your brother's here. You can sit down. I'm 410. I already told him. Do you have you gave your brother your ID?
Yeah.
All right. Where's your brother at?
He
All right, you don't have to go for any of this.
Okay,
What is your last name? You can sit down.
Okay.
All right, I've said multiple times. Just stay seated.
Yes, hello.
All right, what's your last name, man?
My last name is Payne.
What?
Payne.
P-A-Y-N-E?
Yeah.
All right, first name?
Nicholas.
N-I-C...
H-O-L-S.
O-L-S. A-S or just S?
Yeah, S.
O-L-S?
Yeah.
All right. Middle initial?
D.
In an attempt to evade capture, he gave deputies a fake name claiming to have a license out of Tennessee. Unfortunately, he misspelled the name, Nicholas, and this would be a clear indicator to officers that something wasn't right.
Your ID is going to come out of Wisconsin?
No, it's coming out of Tennessee.
Tennessee?
Yep.
All right. So you don't have your ID on you anymore?
No.
No ID?
No.
All right.
Yes, hello.
I just have to run his name.
Yeah, go ahead.
410, 414 with that individual's name. Last name is going to be Nichols, Nora, Ida, Charlie, Henry, Ocean, Lincoln, Sam. First name Payne. Is this your last name?
My first name Nicholas, my middle name.
I'm sorry, last
Sean.
name Payne. Paul, Adam, Young, Nora, Edward. First name Nichols, Nora, Ida, Charlie, Henry, Ocean, Lincoln, Sam.
With enough probable cause, Nichols was taken into custody and transported to the sheriff's substation within the airport where deputies could continue their investigation. His real identity would soon be revealed.
So we're going to bring you back there, just get all your information, make sure it's correct. We'll carry this stuff for you.
No, that ain't one right there. That's just one here.
Alright, you face that way. Just put these on.
What is I'm getting the time?
Just to see, make sure your ID and everything lines up. So face that way for me.
I'm about to see my mama. No, can I see my girl? My mama?
We'll let you use your phone after all this. Yeah. You do this first. Alright. Yes, sir.
I call my mama number.
Alright.
I don't know what it is. Hey.
What do you guys gonna grab this?
Yeah, I got it.
What do you guys have? Squad?
No, that ain't my bag right there. That's my bag right there.
That one's it? That one's yours?
This black one right here, I was seeing.
That's not your bag?
This is your brother?
No, that's my cousin.
This is mine.
You gave him your ID?
No, I gave my brother my ID.
No.
I'm saying, like, what is I'm being?
We're just because you snagged an ID at a federal checkpoint.
Like,
Yeah. So we're just gonna confirm who you are. And
I
then...
don't see how I'm getting it.
So what happened? What was the issue with the ID?
I'm trying to. I told him I was late for my flight, so I gotta fight this here. I can't even. I'm getting tired. I can't even be on my phone.
You will eventually. We'll go this way. The elevator's open.
I don't understand.
Go for 410.
That's not my bag right there.
Why were you carrying it then? You were at TSA.
He said out of Tennessee.
That's my brother bag. I told you that. He said it right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you had it when you were at TSA.
No, I ain't have that bag.
You never had that bag? Because that looks a lot to me like you having that bag.
Then I told the whole my brother.
So why do you give your ID to your brother?
You said what I
Like
give?
why do you give the ID to your brother?
You said why I give? Because he asked for it.
He asked you for
Yep.
your ID?
Yep.
For what?
Yup.
Like for what reason?
He said he about to go to TSA and see why they wouldn't let me check in. He can hold my bag real quick. Yeah.
Gotcha. So we're gonna have you sit right here, man.
Can I take out the clothes?
Do you want me to pull those up?
No.
I can't. I'm not gonna run nowhere.
Oh, well, what's this record, but
I'm right here. Here, I'm gonna put your phone up here for you. So what was that guy was who to you? The one that we saw in there?
You say who?
The guy that we saw in there when we were walking out. What is he to you?
That's my cousin. I told you that.
so you went. Is that ID that he presented his?
He said he gave it to his brother and his brother left with it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna search you real quick, man.
I don't. What is my probable cause of getting searched?
You're in custody, sir, and to be honest, you're going to go to jail for misappropriation of ID and interfering with screening procedures. You can't present false IDs.
So I'm gonna have you stand up, face this way. Like I said, dude, it's easier if you just tell us your name. Then, you know what I mean? I'm gonna blade here, face that way more.
My name is Martel Williams.
Alright, that's your real name?
Yeah.
Alright. So what was the ID name?
You say what?
You
was
don't,
ID?
like, am I gonna find the ID? What is on you?
Yeah.
Where is it?
In my pocket.
In your pocket right here?
Yeah.
Just leave that there. go.
Hey, can one of you guys take down his actual name and bring it to us?
Callie,
Yeah.
stand by. Just searching and
Upon searching DeMarte's camouflage backpack, police located more than 150 fraudulent checks totaling more than $240,000 and a debit card that did not belong to him. It was later discovered that he was wanted out of Texas for counterfeit checks and possession of a stolen gun, and wanted in Louisiana for aggravated flight, reckless operation, and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. DeMarte was charged with forgery, receiving stolen property, fraud against a financial institution, money laundering, theft, and 19 counts of misappropriating ID to obtain money. Ultimately, he pled guilty to 5 counts of misappropriating ID to obtain money, fraud against a financial institution, theft, and money laundering. The remaining charges were dismissed but read in. He was sentenced to 3 years in state prison, 3 years of extended supervision, and 5 years of probation.